channel TechW3Way. This is Vijay Kumar. Today we will be see an example of a screen flow. In this screen flow, we will be create a case and link to the account. Pass the record ID into a screen flow, then save the screen flow and activate this. After activating this screen flow, we will be launched on account record page. So let's get started. So jump to the my attention of the Salesforce or go to the flow and here the button new flow. Click on the new flow to create new flow. After I'm selecting screen flow, then create. Change auto layout to freeform. So friends, I am passing the record ID into the screen show. So I will create a variable record ID. So I will be pass the record ID outside of the flow. So new resource variable record ID data type text and check mark this available or input available for input. So we will be store the record ID of account and pass the outside of the flow. Then go to the element in the screen element, drag and drop here, write the screen name. So I am writing case detail. So friends, as you know, if you're creating a new case, there are two fields are mandatory, status and case origin. Both hard fields are fixed value. So I will give a component to element. Both are fixed value. So I am selecting fixed list. First component will be status. It is a required field. Status it is a fixed value. So I just so fixed option will be come from choice set. So create a new choice set here. Select fixed choice set. Status status quick list. I am giving the name status quick list. Objective will be case. Data type quick list and field will be status. Then done. I created one field status. Same I am creating another one field that is a case origin. Case origin level is a case origin. It is also required field. Data type text. So it is a case origin. It is a fixed value. So I am creating another one choice set. Select fixed choice set here. API name will be case origin pick list. Object will be case. Data type pick list and field API name will be case origin. Then done. So I creating two component status and case origin. Then done. So friends, I created a screen. After that, I will create a record. So create a record, drag and drop here. Create case record. I am creating one record, so selecting one. Use separate resource and literal value. Select this one. So I am selecting the object name case because I am creating a case. So I am selecting object name is case. Set fields value for the case. Set field values for the case. So there are two sections fields and value. Then here is the name of the fields and here is the they are passing the value. So fields will be to status and case origin. Status and value will be come from status and other one case origin. Case origin value come from case origin. And another one field is account ID. account ID. Account ID, it is a lookup field between case and account. So I am passing the account ID to the case. So account ID, it is lookup field and value will be record ID. Then done. So friends, after create a record, click on the save button, give the name of the flow. So create case from account. I am giving the name create case from account, then save it. Then activate this one. After activating this flow, go to the account. So I am launching this flow on account record page. Go to the one record of account. Here edit the page. Search flow. Drag and drop top of the right side. Then select your created flow that is created recently. So here select your flow name. I create case from account. So I am selecting this one. This is my flow. Then mark this checkbox. Don't forget to check this because I am sending the record ID of account or sort of the flow. So check this checkbox, then save it. Record, save successfully, then go to the back. You can see my flow is at display here. Status and case origin, there are two quickly value is display, and in this account there is no case. So I am creating case from here, from flow. So creating new, but status name new, but case origin will be whole. Creating one new case on this account. Then next, go to the case. You can see one case has been created successfully from case. So friends, try to create from your side. If you getting anything, any issue, please write in comment box and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.